I'm Ryan.
I go first.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hi, I'm Avery.
And I'm Ryan. Today we're talking about aliens.
I think you mean planets.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We'll get to that after the weather. Can I have the script, please? Oh, you're an idiot. You're so bad at your job.
I'm gonna kill the internet. Access granted. Die!
What's your name and why did you start hacking? My name is Ryan, and I don't know why I started hacking. Come on, do you have an accomplice or anything? Yes. Who is it? Jackson. Where does he live? New York. New York? Jeez. Whatever. Sit down. Whoa, the real world is out here. I never noticed that. A tree! You're my best friend. Cool. Whatever.
Stay there! Access
Is not granted. No! Access is not.
Hello, Jesus. What brings you here?
This is the water bottle that killed you.
Stupid water bottle.
Jasmine, this is what. Wait, okay, so I said Yasmin. I have to say Avery, and you have to wait until Jesus.
Stop talking.
No.
Yes.
That's not.
Okay, ready?
Wait. So
Okay, ready?
you're like this.
I know.
Avery, this is for you. This is what killed you. Then you do it.
Okay, ready?
Oh, she's holding you. Is the camera rolling?
Wait, cut. She said cameras. There's no cameras in heaven.
I am.
Okay, ready?
No, but it's because I never heard it.
No.
No, because he didn't stop it.
We're gonna put a white background. So.
Okay, ready?
Nice.
No, we're gonna put heaven in the background. So a sun and clouds.
Yeah, heaven.
Avery, this is what has killed you.
That could have ended.
Okay, that's good.